Thanks for the tour, Adil.
So we make our own clay, we buy the raw material in bulk together and share it. If we have the big guys, the smaller studios come and take material from us. So this is where the clay is made, this is where the raw materials are stored. Mostly all production stuff, functional stuff.
Okay.
So here's 2 gas kilns, he's got 1 gas and wood kiln here.
What got you into pottery? Did you start pottery with, like at Golden Bridge Pottery, or were you a potter before then?
I'm an architect from before.
Oh, wow.
I came for a short course, 7-month course, and didn't go back home after that.
7-month course sounds pretty intense.
Well, almost everybody you met in Delhi who is Golden Bridge has done those courses.
Yeah.
Nowadays, after COVID, now people are getting the chance to do shorter courses also here in Pandi. But the 7-month course is essentially everything is wheel driven. You have to learn how to work on a kick wheel, not even electric wheel. And you should understand wood firing. It gives you enough knowledge to start your own little studio wherever you go out and want to set up. Second year, if you want to come back, you ask Ray, or Ray asks you if you want to come back, if he thinks you need to do a second year, and then you can focus on any particular project that you want to work with.
How long have you been working here?
I did my first 2.5 years at Golden Bridge in 1998,
Yeah.
and then moved here. Since then I've been here.
Wow. Is there a town close by? How do you...
This is the town. This is another exhibition waiting to happen somewhere. These are the lingams, the forms you see in temples, outside temples.
All right, you let me know when the time starts.
Starts now.
Starts now. Ready? Go.